Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Here we discuss about a practical attribute-based document collection hierarchical encryption scheme in cloud computing. Next we discuss about the domain introduction. Cloud computing provides a fast and efficient way to share data resources and a mountain number of people access data through network. Next we discuss about the abstract introduction. Ciphertext policy. Attribute-based encryption can provide fine-grained access control and secure data sharing to the data users in cloud computing. A document collection 3 stages safe to encryption file. First, register, fingerprint matching and digital sign creation. CPAP-IG terms of computation and storage space efficiency. A document collection hierarchical encryption scheme is proposed. All the documents that share an integrated access are encrypted together, which can significantly improve the encryption-decryption efficiency. The secret key expand link problem is solved properly. CPAP-IG performs very well in terms of security, efficiency, and the storage size of the ciphertext. Next we discuss about the data flow diagram. Data owner first register and fingerprint creation and login. The owner fingerprint is matching file is uploaded. Otherwise fingerprint is not matching file is not uploaded. 3 stages for safety encryption file. First authentication, fingerprint matching and the digital sign creation. Data owner play a major role for already known as the cloud is mainly used for data storage, security and sharing purpose. We have used data owner is responsible for collecting documents and assigning a proper attribute set to each document. The documents are encrypted in two phases. Each document is first encrypted by a AES encryption algorithm with a unique digital sign. Then the content keys are encrypted by ABE schemes. Data user is the another major role of this process. The role play the sharing process here. Data user can view dataset file from the data owner with a secret key. Data owner can only view the file name if data user wants to access the data. They need to get the key from the data owner. User send request to the cloud and get the secret key. After getting key, they can decrypt the file. Next we cloud server maintain the cloud owner and cloud user details and keyword. Keep the data safe and secure. Monitoring the data transaction between the data owner and data user details. User record sent to the CA. Once a query request is received, the cloud server first communicate with the CA sender to check the identity of the data user and message is received if the data user is authorized. After security key is generated, and then finally receive the key and then decrypt. Next we discuss about the running process. First of all, index phase running. First click the data owner process and next click the new login process. Create the fingerprint and import the fingerprint option. Register the and then login. Submit the process. Choose the fingerprint. Login successfully. And then file is uploaded choosing. Successfully process and then keyword searching. Create the encryption. and create the fingerprint digital sign. File is encrypted successfully and upload the database. And the next process, click the data user and then new login. Choose the fingerprint file. Login successfully. And then data owner name is Arun. Send the request. Request into the cloud. Authorize the data owner and then authorize the data user view and then search keyword. And then user request. Go to the CA center. Authority login successfully and search the request. Generate secret key and permission granted successfully. Receive the key and then view the file. View the file and then decryption successfully. That's all.